Hello everyone and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access the brand new KWH portal for KW Heritage agents inside of San Antonio. And I also will be showing you how to navigate the homepage and find any resources that you may be looking for. First off, we're going to navigate to the site, which is kwhportal.com. Once you get to this page, you're going to see this login page. Here you have the option to sign in with Google, your email if you already have an account, or you can click the sign up button and create a new account. If you don't already have an account, you'll be clicking the sign up button. And here you're going to enter your first name, last name, email, password of your choosing, and you're going to choose one of the following. Are you a KW agent? Are you a premier partner with us? Or other affiliation, such as unlicensed assistant? And then you will also agree to receive email notifications and press submit. It is really important to us that we keep this as restricted to our Keller Williams Heritage agents as possible. That way we're able to keep all of our resources and events more exclusive to our agents. Now when you press submit, you are not going to be granted immediate access to the site. One of our staff members will need to go in and approve you to be able to grant you access to the site. You will receive an email when a staff member has gone in and approved your account, and you're able to then go and log in and have access to this site. Please give us some time to receive that email. If it's after business hours or on the weekends, there may be a longer wait time. So just to clarify, after you press the submit button, you will see a page that says, "Thank you for your submission. Your request is being approved." You will then receive an email when that account has been approved. And then you can go back to the site and log in with either your Google or your email. Now, if you already have an account, you're going to click however you created your account. And once you have access, this is going to be the home page that you will see. In the top left corner, we have the search bar. Here you can search site-wide for anything that you are looking for, and it will tell you which page that keyword is on for you to find it. On the other side, we have our phone numbers, our Facebook, and our Instagram here linked. And you also have your member portal, which is your notifications and how to access your account and edit any of your settings. We will be doing a full video on member accounts, so stay tuned for that. Up here at the top, we also have some quick links to Command, Dotloop, My Reports inside of Command, and Request a DA. Here we have all of our departments, the home page, our calendars, the different departments inside of this portal. For example, we have the Accounting MCA department, Marketing, Technology page, a staff page, and all of our premier partners as well. Office information such as broker license, office documents, the referrals and W-9 and KW logos. Under communities, we have our organizations, our nonprofit, and information about our ALC and ALC committees. We have resources, which link right down here to Market Center resources on the homepage. And we have our groups page. Keep an eye out for another Techy Tuesday coming very soon. We're going to do a full groups video. Down below, we have all of our announcements, and some of these will be clickable. You're able to click any of the links. We have all of our resources listed down below, and they are divided based on sections, so you're able to easily find what you're looking for. We have most of our main department tabs up here. Get connected, information about our culture, the Unlocked podcast, Ignite or our KW calendar, office resources, such as our documents, our lifetime fitness membership, information about how to get on our Jumbotron, and our KWH swag shop. We have our marketing resources, which is going to be the place you're going to find the tech appointments. If you're wanting to meet with one of our tech team or the IT person here, you're able to click this link and go and schedule with us. We have our Canva templates as well, our Techy Tuesday YouTube account, and some more information. We have open house resources, a playbook, how to get open house signs or sign storage, how to rent out Arlo cameras and get balloons, and then some quick links to pages that you're most likely to be going to if you're one of our agents. Down below, we have what's happening at Heritage, which is just a bit of our calendar here. And then we have our group section listed at the very bottom, easy access to get to some of your groups. Keep an eye out for next week's Techy Tuesday. We're going to be going over your member profile, showing you how to edit your contact information and add your photo and change any of your notifications or settings. Stay tuned.